A buildup of cholesterol can cause your arteries to become clogged. When this occurs, there is a much higher risk for a cardiovascular event to occur. But oftentimes, a person may live with clogged arteries without any signs or symptoms until something more serious occurs. Your body will reveal very subtle signs that your arteries are clogged by these signs, which can often be confused with other conditions. So here are common signs and symptoms to look out for that reveal if you have clogged arteries so that you can reduce your risk of complications. 1. Chest pain. Chest pain is the result of reduced blood flow to the heart. It can be felt as tightness, numbness, heaviness, pressure, or burning. People do not usually experience this symptom when resting because it is triggered by physical or emotional exertion. In some cases, clogs can be so bad that angina may signal a person is having a heart attack. 2. Temporary loss of vision on one side. The carotid arteries supply our eyes and brain. If these arteries get blocked, the result is temporary vision loss or blurred vision in the eye on the same side. A full blockage leads to a stroke. That's why it's very important to be aware of this sign. 3. Lower back pain. Lower back pain is a serious sign you should not ignore. When blood flow to the lower back is reduced, the discs between the vertebrae become fragile, and this leads to painful pinched nerves. It is usually the first symptom among people with clogged arteries. According to a study, 10% of people in developed countries already have advanced blockages in their abdominal aorta by the time they are 20 years old. 4. Shortness of breath. This symptom develops when coronary arteries become damaged or diseased. People experience it because their heart is not able to pump enough blood to meet their body's needs. This research suggests that people often do not consider shortness of breath to be a serious problem, but sometimes it may be the only sign of the presence of serious coronary artery disease that may need treatment. 5. Cold hands or feet. Cold feet can be caused by peripheral arterial disease, PAD. This problem takes place when narrowed arteries reduce blood flow to the limbs. Poor wound healing or a weak pulse in the feet are also signs that need to be checked with a doctor. Moreover, the presence of PAD may indicate that there is more widespread arterial disease in the body that can affect the brain or the heart, causing a stroke or heart attack. What increases the risk of clogged arteries? According to the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, the factors increasing risk are having unhealthy blood cholesterol levels. This suggests high levels of bad cholesterol and low levels of good cholesterol. Having high blood pressure. Blood pressure should not exceed 140/90 millimeters hemoglobin. Being overweight or obese. A body mass index between 25 and 29.9 is considered overweight. The higher index means that a person is obese.